Welcome aboard the ANA Boeing 777-300, where comfort meets innovation. For an elevated journey, opt for the premium class, with luxurious 50-inch pitch and 22-inch wide seats in a cozy 232 setting. Enjoy on-demand entertainment on a 15.6-inch touchscreen and stay connected with universal AC and USB-A sockets. Economy class travelers, aim for front row seats for extra legroom, though keep in mind the smaller 10.1-inch screens. Avoid middle seats in the densely packed 343 rows for more personal space. Experience top-notch amenities with Panasonic's EX3 entertainment and Wi-Fi connectivity. Comment below which airplane you'd like us to feature next.